up, OMG Nation? Let me tell you guys what is one of the most fun parts about moto vlogging. And when I say that, I am being sarcastic. Because look at this ginormous truck behind me. Please stop. And don't run me over with your 4x4, which looks like an 8x8 behind me. So anyways, back to what I was saying. 2 weeks ago, a week and a half ago, somewhere around in there, I filmed an episode. I went out and I rode around and filmed all this content. Some of it had to do, a small portion of it was about some of the potholes again in Franklin, Tennessee, all over the place after all of the terrible ice and snow, more ice than snow that we had. And all the footage is gone. I'm pretty sure I at least saw it once. I don't have a clue what I did with it. I don't know if I accidentally deleted it. I don't know if maybe I forgot to move it over. And then I just erased it off the GoPro. I have no idea what I did with it. Such is the life of a moto vlogger. Hold on, let me get moving again. That's happened to me maybe 1 or 2 times before. One time I filmed a bunch of stuff, and when I went to download it, a pretty large portion of it had errors on the film, and it wouldn't even let me pull it up. Like it just showed some type of white, where normally it says something dot, normally whatever the GoPro file is, I can't remember the extension at the moment, it shows that dot whatever that extension is, and then it shows a little bit of the scenery that was filmed. Well, for that day it just showed a little white piece of paper on a large portion of whatever I filmed, and I lost all that footage. The good news for you guys is I talk a lot. Whoa, hey, pull on out there in front of me. You gotta watch these people. The sun's out and everybody's jumpy. Phew, God, not burp in your helmet. Oh, what did I eat? That's disgusting. I gotta open up all the vents for that one. This is like somebody walked by and farted in my helmet and then shut the shield. That was disgusting. Alright, so today I've got to run a couple errands. One of those errands being I got to run up to Moonshine, discuss some stuff with Rob. Also, I got to put together another video of Courtney. For some reason, that Are You Too Short for a Bagger video has really taken off. It jumped a couple thousand views the other day, so a lot of folks have been asking a couple questions. How does she handle this? How does she handle that? I believe what we're going to do is try to address those questions on a video, and I got to find out which day would be good for her and put it on the schedule. Well, we got it right here. What we got pulling up? I could pull directly up beside this guy, probably freak him out. He'd be like, what in the world? We're not best buds. Why are you parking by me? I won't do that. That would freak me out if somebody did that to me that I didn't know and I wasn't riding with him. I could hear his music from here though. I cannot hear it over my exhaust, brothers and sisters too. All 5 of you that watch this channel. Looks like he's going over to the Moonshine too. Come on out there, brother. Whoop, whoop. Oh, guess who's here? Guess whose bike that is? Whoop, whoop.
Is this new? What? Is that? Yeah. Well, I got it started.
Oh, okay. I like it. I don't know that I've seen it. Look at this. I brought it in for an oil change, and they said, "Hey, remember last time you came in for an oil change and we told you it was time to get your rotor?" Yeah, it's really time now. Okay. I'll get one. So I'll order. Wasn't that bad? $160. Hey, look who I found up here at Moonshine. Will. You guys haven't seen Will on the channel in a while. How you doing?
I'm good, man.
Yeah. Maybe they can hear you.
Weather's beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely. We're gonna get out, ride. We have to ride together again soon.
Yeah.
Apparently I've got music in my ear. Let me turn this down. All right, I'm pinned in here, so I got a duck walk. Maybe. Let's see. My backup camera's not working. All right, here we go. Nice. I only had 20 feet to make it. All right. It was good seeing my man Will again. I haven't seen him in a while. I talked to Courtney inside of Moonshine, and we are going to next week film. We have a firm date to film a second part 2 to the Are You Too Short to Ride a Bagger. I'll put that video right up here. I was about to take my hand off in the turn. Right there. Well, I guess it would be over there. But we're going to film a part 2, second edition to that. Just some people have asked some questions, so I spoke with Courtney about those questions, and we're going to try to answer people's questions in that video. Hopefully, if everything goes well, that video should come out next Saturday. I am burning the freak up. I mean, I dressed like it was 20 degrees outside, and it's not. There is no shortage of four-wheel drive vehicles in Franklin, Tennessee. That's for sure. Well, I like that 4Runner. Good looking white. Look at there, another one. 250, 250, Super Duty. They're everywhere. Because there's some good old boys right here in Franklin, Tennessee. Just the good old boys. Now y'all are going to be singing. That's all I had to do. And y'all are going to be singing that in your head for the rest of the day. You're welcome. Never meaning no harm. See, there you go. I ruined you for the rest of the day. Man, it feels amazing outside. I love it. It feels so good out here. I just had to run down there, talk to Courtney, set something up so we can make that video. I'm actually, see, sometimes when I'm working, I get changed up. I get all Harley'd up, and I run and do some Harley things, do a moto vlog. Oh, that reminds me, I got somewhere else I got to go today. I'm gonna run over there real quick too. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over right here because I'm gonna go check something else out. I've got to go talk to a guy about a thing. So I appreciate you watching today's episode. If you have not already, hit that like button. Today's quick episode. Dang it. Is there a bug inside of my helmet? Jeez. There is. Is it on the inside or the outside? I was trying to do an outro, and there's a gnat or something in my helmet. Alright. He must have flew in when I had my visor open. Hopefully he's gone now. Anyways, let's try it one more time. If you have not already, please hit that like button. If you like this motorcycle content of me just rambling, also bringing you safety gear, going over gear reviews, every now and then doing a first impression ride, and the stuff I do with Moonshine Harley Davidson, please consider subscribing to the channel. I will see you guys on the next episode. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.